Hello children, so today we are going to learn about the sound sh. Okay, so here you can see two consonants S and H. So when two consonants they come together and when they make one single sound, it is called a digraph. Alright, so today we are going to look into the digraph. S and H put together, it makes a sound sh. So, but before we proceed, I would like to tell you a story about the sound sh. So, Sam has a new baby sister. So, he is Sam, and there was a new baby sister. She was born in this family. Wow! So, she has gone to sleep. So, Sam's mother puts her finger to her lips and says shh to stop Sam waking her up, right? So she doesn't want Sam to disturb the baby sister because her mom has taken lots of effort to make her sleep. So this is the baby sister here. So her mother, what she says? She says shh. Alright, so this is the sound for the digraph. This is the sound. So now let us move on to the song part. And the song is hush, 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 don't make a sound. Be as quiet as you can be. The baby is asleep and I'm tired out. Wow, that's nice. You all did a great job singing with me. So now we are going to look into some words that starts and ends with the sound sh. So you can see these raindrops here, right? So the first word is shop. So how many sounds does it have? It has three sounds. Sh, or this shop. Say it once again. Shop. Shop. Sh or p. Shop. So it is very easy. It is like your three-letter word. And now here there is a word which ends with the sound sh. So it is w, e, sh. Wish. What is it? W, e, sh. Wish. And now this word is cash, the money. K, a, sh, cash. So it is cash. And this one is shed. Sh, e, d, shed. So all these words have only three sounds. Alright. So when you practice writing, you can first draw lines and then you can write the first sound, second sound, third sound, and then you can write the word here in the fourth column. Alright? Sh, e, d, shed, sh, o, p, shop, w, e, sh, wish, k, a, sh, cash. Okay, you can practice similarly at home and you can also try finding out many words that starts and ends with sh. I hope you like the session. Keep practicing at home and be good. Alright, see you in the next session. Bye bye.